Thank you very much, Erin, for the nice introduction. So I'm going to present just a few slides related to the BIRD, or our Biostatistics, Epidemiology, and Research Design core with Accel-CTR. So who are we? We are basically a virtual core. And why is it virtual? Because the BIRD includes researchers from all Accel-CTR institutions. So you are familiar with all the Accel-CTR institutions. But the management and the management of the BIRD is conducted in the Value Institute at KrishaNaker. We have a large number of people, around 22 people belong to the BIRD, and all of these researchers are not full-time. They are just a few percent effort, but we cover again all the institutions. There are 10 statisticians and health services researchers from all institutions, 4 epidemiologists, 5 bioinformatic researchers and computer scientists, and 3 data analysts. So what do we do? We mostly are extremely busy with the consultation services, and I'll get back to it in a few minutes. So meaning we review consultations papers. People can consult us for any issues related to statistics and epidemiology or research design or things like that. And we give these consultation services for free for all members of the Accel-CTR. So for all investigators who belong to the Accel-CTR institutions. But I'll get back to the consultation in the next slide. We have a few education initiatives. So, for example, we organize a weekly innovative discovery series, and this is a weekly conference every Friday at noon that is broadcasted also all over the institutions, where we invite speakers to talk about their research, their clinical research, most importantly, or translational research in all fields of medicine and epidemiology. We also have monthly tech talks, so these occur on a monthly basis on Thursday, again at noon. They are held at KrishaNaker in the Value Institute and broadcasted again all over the Accel-CTR institutions. And these sessions are much more technical, as the title says. And technical in statistics or in computer science or in epidemiology, all the program, the schedule is always posted on the web. And we try to send also announcements to all the institutions. So these are monthly tech talks. And we are also working within the BIRD to put together some education content that we would put on the website. And it's not only us, it's also all the other cores from the Accel-CTR. We are really working very closely with the professional development core, with Erin, with Rob, and with also the evaluation core, the community engagement core. So all of us are working on putting together a website with educational content. What we will try to do is to put educational content about statistics, and mostly we are going to vet statistical websites that can be helpful for researchers. There will be a survey sent out very soon where we will ask to all researchers of the Accel-CTR and INBRE institutions what are their needs. That will be a needs assessment survey. And according to what we found, we will really focus on what's the needs. And then finally, within the BIRD, again, we some of the statisticians and the epidemiologists are focusing on developing new methodology. And that's something that is very important for the NIH, for our funder. So going back to the consultation services, I did some screenshots on how to get to the consultation website and the form. Basically, you have to complete a form. So first, you have to log into the Accel-CTR website, and hopefully all of you have a login password and everything, and know how to log into the Accel-CTR website. And then what you need to do, you'll get to the login, you'll get to the dashboard, and this may change a little because the website is now being revamped. But I'm sure there will be still an icon for the bird requests. So you will need to click on the icon X square, that's a bird request icon. Then I'm going to the next slide. And this will be the bird request for assistance. So that's a form that you'll get into, and it will be pre-populated with your name. Here it's my name, but really everything will be in your name. And there is a question about, is the request related to an Accel-sponsored proposal project or proposed project? So that means if you have an Accel pilot grant or an Accel MRDA or this type of things, you would say yes here. But if you don't have any funding from Accel, you can say no, and you still can submit your request. And there are a few questions about whether the project is funded and unfunded, can be funded by another source of funding than NIH. And then a question about there is a pull-down menu about the type of studies that you want to do. So here I put cross-sectional survey, but there is really a long list of study. And then in the next slide, it are the last few questions. So you need to enter your project title, provide an abstract, describe what you want to do, click on what do you need help with, and that's something that is important for us, and then what you want to accomplish, and then some more details about what you want to do, and then what is your deadline for your deliverable. And basically this form comes to one of our administrators here in the Value Institute at Questionnaire Care, and the form then is given to me, and I review absolutely all the requests, and then I suggest I assign it to one of the statisticians or one of the epidemiologists according to what is requested. And I basically know what people do and what are the strengths of everyone. But what is important is that because, for example, if someone from Nemours submits a request and this person has a data set already from data collected from Nemours patients, then most of the time this data set will go, this request will be assigned to one of the statisticians at Nemours, because it's much easier since they are there and then can look at the data. Sending data sets across institutions is still an issue, and we would have a DUA. Although we are working on streamlining DUAs, and it will be much less complicated, but it will still postpone or delay the project if you have to enter into the DUA. So, for example, if data from Nemours needs to come to one of the statisticians of Questionnaire Care. So I try to assign the statistician or the epidemiologist or the data scientist to the institutions from where the requester is. So I think that's all I had, and I'll be more than happy to answer questions.